The weather phone is busted again.
M&T Bank thanks you for your call. Good evening. Today is Thursday, March 27th. 10:25. Current temperature 44 degrees. Rain today, highs low 50s. Clearing tonight, lows mid 30s. Sunny on Friday, highs low 40s. The WeatherFone is another community service of M&T Bank, member FDIC, an equal housing lender.
There was no rain today, and it's had that forecast on there for the past probably 3 weeks now. It was fixed about a month ago, and there was even a different message on there saying that it was being repaired after an extended outage. So the WeatherFone company is definitely still a thing. But I don't understand why the WeatherFone was not responding to any of the calls or emails that I sent regarding the first outage. Well, hopefully this gets fixed, and it gets fixed more permanently this time. I like having the service. It's very convenient to be able to call and get a general idea of what the forecast is going to be for the next couple of days. We can call the National Weather Service at 631-924-0517 and listen to the forecast on there, but it's not as quick. Although on the other hand, by the time you listen to all the ad and then the date and the time and everything, probably is about the same amount of time.